welcome back. So excited to be sharing with you this week our Easter basket idea. But there is a catch. This year we're actually not doing Easter baskets, we're doing Easter tote bags. These cute little tote bags I found in the Christmas tree shop. I will be linking similar ones. Let's go fill some of these cute little tote bags for Easter. Another little tip. You can grab some fun spring wrapping paper and do a mix in the bag so that it gives some excitement. So leave a few things unwrapped so that they can just pull it out, or you can just also mix in a few wrapped gifts just to kind of, again, be that surprise and just to keep things exciting. We're gonna start out with the baby, and so this year because she's so little, we're kind of keeping it simple. We're doing a few little fun things with some cute little blocks. We're gonna do this and we'll just put it in, and she's tiny, so a cute little stuffed animal we have. Okay, even though she's too little for it, I know her sisters will totally be okay with eating her candy this year. Little Pez. Bubbles, and then we're just gonna top it off with some fun tissue paper. It's gonna be like this. And we're just gonna fill and top off her little bag, and we'll probably tie it off with some cute ribbon, but that's one. If you have friends who you're doing Easter baskets for and they're adults, or older kids and you're still doing Easter baskets or Easter bags like we're doing, we kind of like to just put a little something that they actually really do love, not just candy. So one of our nieces loves Adidas, so we're doing a nice little sweater, a nice little hoodie, and we're actually gonna wrap it this year for her. I had my tape here a second ago. Guess not, hang on. Tape. Okay, just put this in. Now we got these great organic little lollipops from Trader Joe's, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a few of them together, and we're gonna make a lollipop bouquet by taking them, and then we're gonna tie them off with a little hair tie. Just because the girls are always looking for hair ties. And so that you don't have a bunch of little lollipops in the bag. So we did that. Also are gonna throw in a couple Annie's bunnies and Pez and a cute little thing of bubbles. And we're also doing little hats. And then we're gonna grab our tissue paper. And for the two middle ones, we're kind of gonna do the same thing, but then we're gonna make their bigger gift calico critters, and we're gonna wrap them up, and we'll get back to putting the bags together. Oh yeah, here's a good tip. Make sure all the price tags are off, or just black them out with a nice Sharpie. Gifts are wrapped. Now I genuinely don't remember which ones are going where. Again. there you have it, folks. We hope you enjoyed this little segment. We hope that it inspired you to create your very own tote bags for spring and Easter. We hope that you always remember the reason for the Easter season. And thanks for joining us. Until next time, fam. See you soon. It's just fun. And Jared's home, and I may beat him. Jared, I'm filming. Can you not? I'm so sorry. Kind of. I'm like,
Jared, I'm filming.
no.
Well,
What's bad? Sciatic close right
Is he dead?
no. No, I actually thought he was missing. So I went there and you had it all locked up, but he wasn't in there.
Okay, hey guys,
He wasn't outside.
can I finish this?
He was on the floor and I thought it down. He was just like, please.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So we have.
And then there's a whole bunch of receipts
Ah!
from,
Oh, thank you. Okay, so he was...
they actually did 5 eggs, but one exploded in my pocket.
Okay, awesome. Jared, I'm still rolling. Please, I just want to finish
My
this.
pockets are so.
So he was good. Okay.
Yeah, so how's your guys' day going?
Go away.
Thank you, dude.
Love you, Cat.
Oh, we're almost done.
We're almost done.
And then
Just
we'll
go.
chat.
Just please.